Hello traders. Today is the 17th of December 2010 and happy trading to you all. London is now closed. Okay, the closing time of London also is very important time. So the opening bell and the closing time of the markets. Okay, this is by Euro USD, as you know, always Euro USD. Okay, and the euro was going up since yesterday night during the Asia session. A beautiful move to the upside. Okay, from here, what is happening here? What can we see? We see clearly here that there was a kind of a double bottom pattern yesterday night. Okay, when London closed exactly in this region here, and the price start going up. Okay, the key level you have to watch is this one here. Once this level is crossed, we know straight away that the euro is heading to the upside. Okay, so that's how you trade the double bottom pattern. Okay, so if I draw the line here, this resistance zone here. Okay, what I'll do it properly. Okay, this resistance zone here. Okay, once it's kaput, we see this candle here, very bullish candle. Once it's kaput, you know that the euro must go up. Okay, a double bottom. The key area that I show you many of my video right here is taken out, and the euro is just went up. Okay, and the euro was going up all the time, nicely beautiful. And right here, what has happened here? The euro change direction. Why the euro change direction? Let's find out why the euro find direction. The euro change direction right here, okay, because of this resistance level here. This resistance level here has validated this level here as a valid resistance level. Okay, so you must look for opportunity to sell right there, just following the price itself, the number one indicator. Talking about the validation of support and resistance level, these are the key for successful day trading. Validation of support and resistance level, and right there, this level here has validated this resistance level. Okay, because the price came first, touch this yellow line here, come back down, and now it came back again today to touch the same resistance level here and start going down after the low of this candle here. The low of this candle here is taken out, you know, or the close of in this whatever, the low of this candle here, the low of this candle here is taken out. You know that this candle is telling us that the bear are back straight away there. Okay, boom, and it went down big time. Okay, that's what's happened when the New York opens. Okay, I was doing a video today, and I was showing you the Elliott wave pattern on the 5-minute chart. That during the gap period, what I call the gap period, is the waiting time, the 2 hours before New York open. That's what I call the gap period. Okay, and I was waiting for this ABC pattern, and the market pushed the price back to the central pivot level, and the price fell to find a support at the central pivot level. And as always, like I told you, the floor traders move it again from the central pivot level to the S1 level, and the S1 also has fell, and they move it down to the S2 level. That's where the price is now, in the region of the pivot level S2. Okay, that's why it's so important to have the pivot level in order to understand what's happening here. So we are here now. Okay, that's where we are now. Okay, we are in this zone here. I will highlight that level for you so we can see that's where we are now. What the price is likely to do. Okay, there is a chance for the Euro USD to come back and retest this level of 132.00, our psychological level. Okay, but the price does not have to do that. Okay, but there is a high probability that the price may seek to retest this psychological level of 132.00. I'll call out the psychological level a red line for you. Okay, so there is a high probability that the price may try to find a support, and in this zone here of S2, the pivot level S2 and the support level S2, and to return back to retest this 132.00 level. Okay, and if it come to the 132.00 level and it failed to find to cross above it, okay, if it failed to cross above it bullishly, okay, then the euro will return back down big time. Okay, is what we are talking about here. Okay, Now, like I said to you before, when we are bullish towards the Euro USD, anytime you do your homework, as I said to you, we are bullish towards the Euro USD. It does not stop you to keep your eyes wide open and to see what the price itself, the number one and the leading indicator, is telling you right there. And yesterday night, we see this pattern here, a double bottom pattern, a valid reason to look for opportunity to buy right here. The validation of this resistance level, another valid reason to not to buy but to sell again. And now the price fell at the 13200, the psychological level, and crossed below it. We'll watch carefully this zone here. There's a high probability that the price may come back and retest the 13200 level. If the bearish pressure is too strong, okay, the price may continue the movement to the downside, but there is a high probability that the price may seek, okay, it does not have to do it, but there is a high probability that the price in normal condition may seek to retest the 13200 level before coming back down if there is a resistance in this zone here. This is about the Euro USD and the general market, how you can cream this market consistently. Before I close this video, the most important thing that I need to say to the TSTW24 traders is that when the trend is strong, when you have a downtrend in the first best time frame of the TSTW24, if the downtrend in the first best time frame of the TSTW24 is confirmed as a strong downtrend, you do not look for opportunity to buy at all. Okay, so the first thing that we do when London is open, we switch to the first best time frame of the TSTW24 trading system. If the TSTW24 confirms to us that the downtrend is strong on that first best time frame, we are not interested to look for any opportunity to buy at all. Okay, and vice versa. If we switch to the first best time frame of the TSTW24 and the TSTW24 confirmed to us on that first best time frame of the TSTW24 that the trend is up and the uptrend is strong on the first best time frame of the TSTW24, we do not look for opportunity to sell at all. The only time that we sell in the uptrend is when we receive a single red signal or a double red signal. I repeat, the only time that we look for opportunity to sell in the uptrend is when we receive a single red signal or a double red signal. Very, very important. The same thing, the only time that we buy in a downtrend is when we receive a double green signal or a single green signal. Very important. Our most important thing to remember is that whichever time frame you are in, whether you are on the first best time frame or the second best time frame or the third best time frame of the TSTW24 or any other time frame that you are in, if you're going to enter the trade, you must look at the first best time frame to see whether the trend is confirming the signal that you are taking. So if you are taking a bearish signal on the first best time frame, you must see a strong downtrend. If you are taking a bullish signal on the first best time frame, you must see a strong uptrend on the first best time frame of the TSTW24 trading system. I hope you enjoyed this video that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you very much.